Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how can you guys make a disk partition on your Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, you just need to go to start menu, uh, computer, right click, manage, so um, go to disk management. So now you can see this, I have 250 GB of disk. So I can expand this new volume F cause I don't have much space on this C drive. I can expand this new volume. As you can see this, right click and go to shrink volume. It will take a few seconds. So you can you just need to calculate the actual volume you want to shrink. So I'm gonna make uh, 15 GB of volume. So I just go to uh, open my calculator for just calculating the exact MBs. So calculator, type here. So I want to make 15 GB of disk volume. So I will write here 1024 multiply by 15, cause I want to make a 15 by GB of volume. So this is the volume you need to write here, 15360. So right here 15 360, shrink. It will take a few seconds. So as you can see this, it has been shrinked and it is unallocated for located purpose. We just need to go to new simple volume, next, next E drive. You can name this drive if you want. Finish. So now you can see this, it has been created and it is located in my computer. Make sure it has been set up. Go to computer for just checking purpose. So now you can see this new volume I have created. You can see this, it has been 15 GB. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.